Kung sa kanila mamiss mo ko, pwede mong pakis. Oh, oh. Sa kanila mamiss mo ko, pwede mong pakis. Oh, oh. Sasamaan kita.
Two girls in the cut, and I don't know what to do. I fell in love with you. I fell in love with you. Two girls in the cut, which one to choose?
Kapag na-miss mo, pwedeng balikan.
Magaan na ba ang iyong paghinga? Bumalik ka na sa akin. Klaro na ba ang isip sinta?
Puxa pra frente, pra trás e soca.
Every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he miss it. He wanna
Listening to our favorite song. I have told you what I said. Now I know I have not known Jesus since Jesus.
You keep me close, can you
And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it.
Tapos pormahan ko lagi ay long sleeves na t-shirt at faded na lonta. Para na makilala kita, nagbagong bigla ang aking timpla. Natutuwa ko na magpariban at mag-ahit ng kilay at
Anong magagawa ko kung siya talaga yung laman ng puso ko sa tuwing makikita ko siya? Hayop! Ang saya ko! Tapos parang wala na ako ibang gustong gawin na, kundi mahalin ko na lang siya.
I'm about to party on you. What's your body on you? Yeah. You can watch me pull up on your body like it's I'ma take my clothes off in the pool.
What we gotta do right here is go back. Back in the time.
Sumasagi ka palagi sa utak, tahan-tahan pagkatok. Kumalanti ako sa isip mo, hayaan mo ako magbago. Baby, I could do better. Table ka sa aking sweater. Yung ngiti mo na nahagip sa lente. Napasabi na lang ako na sweat.
Sa akin, i-rate natin siya. Ba't i-rate mo? Wala akong pakialam, self. Bakit nagagalit ka na naman, self? Gusto ko lang explain bakit mo i-rate. O bakit? Anong masama doon? Sa tingin mo may karapatan ka na sabi-sabihan ako? Oo, dahil self kita.
And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Let me see the booty, baby, show me, baby, and let's turn around. Let me have a good look at it, baby. Shake the booty now. Let me see.